Hey y'all. Oh, it is a rainy day. Like, just don't want to do anything today. It's just like really raining. Oh my gosh, y'all. Oh. I made my favorite smoothie, but I had a twist to it, so I added something I saw in the store, and so it made it really good. And this smoothie, yeah, if you haven't seen the chia peanut butter smoothie, oh my goodness, and you're trying to lose weight, this smoothie will help you. If you can drink this as a meal replacement, y'all, it's gonna get you full. It's like alkalizing, it detox your body, so you don't have to worry about any type of side effects. You don't have to worry about that, because this is like this is natural ingredients. I haven't been making my smoothie because I run out of maca, but I finally went to the store and got my maca powder. This is so good. And I like to add that cinnamon. Oh my goodness. Like, it's already autumn, and you can't, I mean, of course you can taste the seasons, but you can, like, it's something about the smell. Like, you know, when you be going, like when Halloween is out and they be having like these cinnamon sticks, you know, at the grocery store, it smells so good that you can kind of like taste it. So when I put my cinnamon, it kind of reminds me, like, I can taste this season, like I can taste autumn. It's hard to describe, but it's so good. Yeah. But I didn't use a frozen banana. You know, when you be using frozen bananas, everything seems so creamy. I didn't use frozen banana this time. You know, we had went to the store. I was out of bananas too. So that's why, and I was just craving this smoothie. I was really craving this smoothie. So that's why, look at that. It's so good. This is so good. Look at this. And those specks is dates. This is so good. It's Halloween. This is the month of Halloween, so put it in my spooky skull glass. Yeah. My head is crazy. I watched it last night. I may have to put some more lotion, some type of lotion on it. Something. But I had a hat on today. No one outside. Somehow now I'm starting to like hats. smells so good, y'all. I'm so happy. Even though the rain can make you all grumpy and tired. Yeah, Paul, what's wrong? This is good. It kind of reminds me of the Wendy's. How Wendy's is, but we all know this is better than Wendy's. And like I said, you gonna get full. So if you can't finish your smoothie, freeze the rest. Don't overdo it, because it's gonna fill you up. I got that chia seeds in it, so it's gonna fill you up. Take some for lunch or whatever meal, and it's gonna get you right. It's gonna make you go to the bathroom, but you need to go to the bathroom anyway, y'all. If you having problems going to the bathroom, this is good for you, because this is gonna help you out. It's not gonna hurt your stomach, but it's gonna flush you. And if you look for something high in potassium, yes. Hope you're having a good day today. If you try my smoothie, if you tried this, please leave a comment down below. I know we're trying to lose weight, get healthy. I'm telling you, this is gonna help you, especially if you're exercising. That's how good it is. Oh my goodness. Y'all, this is so good. It's really good. Especially if you love peanut butter. I'm gonna like this. This thing went by so fast. Like, even this week went by fast. Sometimes it seems like I want the week to go by fast. Sometimes I just don't want the week to go by fast. But it seems like it's just the opposite. When you don't want it to go by fast, it does. Yeah, again, trying to lose weight, you just have to kind of do your research. Cut out what you're eating, because it starts from what you're eating. If you didn't know that, okay, that would really help. And this right here, like, because chia seeds get you full. This right here, you will get full. You'll be full for about an hour and a half. I'm telling you. it will get you right. You will not feel. I'm sorry, I feel like I had a burp. It's not coming out. It will get you full. You will be full for some time. And then, when you want a snack, of course you're going to have some left. You can eat some almonds. Because almonds, make sure you get the almonds without the sodium, without any type of seasoning. Because you know how sometimes they have almonds and they have like fire roasted, or you know what I'm saying, different type of flavor almonds. Just get the regular almonds. And it doesn't have any sodium. Blue, I think Blue Diamond. I like Blue Diamond almonds. Sorry. It doesn't have any type of sodium if you just get the plain almonds. And you can eat about 6 or 7 almonds. It's full of potassium, you know, as a snack. Or you can eat your Granny Smith apples. And speaking of Granny Smith apples, y'all, it is on sale this week at Publix. Two for $5. It's a 2-pound bag of the Granny Smith apples, y'all. That's on sale for $5, and it's organic. If y'all diabetics and you love your Granny Smith apples, go to your Publix. The sale ends next Tuesday, or the Tuesday that's coming up. So, yes. Damn. You will get how you want to be. Always think positive. Oh, Tamara. Thank you. And it, no. Yep. That's it. Okay. No. I'm gonna put it up. I'm gonna put it up. Go sit down. Sorry, y'all. Yes. Because you don't have to always eat processed foods, especially if you're trying to cleanse your inside, cleanse your body. You don't have to always, you know, and then you don't have to be drinking them heavy teas, so-called detox teas, you know. Again, why I like this is because I'm getting my minerals, okay? I'm getting my nutrients, and I still get detoxed. You know, it still do what them other teas do, flush you out. You know. So, what would you rather? Wow, huh? What would you rather do? Would you rather drink something that's natural? Okay, all the ingredients is natural, no side effects. Okay, has minerals and vitamins. Okay, detox you, which flush you. You know, so when it flush you and you exercise, you're gonna lose some weight. Or would you rather take this tea that has side effects? Okay, you know, because I'm pretty sure if you read the label, it tells you this could happen, could cause diarrhea, could cause headaches, could, you know what I'm saying? No, y'all. So think, and I know you want to just lose weight that fast, but there's always a consequence or something when you try to do it that fast. Do it the natural way, which is just smoothie. So yes. So good. And I'm thinking about, I know it's making food packs, just in case if some people don't have the time to do it, because I already I added something else to it and it made it much better. I added something else to it and it made it so much better. So I may be working on something, yeah. But in the meantime, in between time, go ahead and use that first recipe that I showed y'all. That can help you get to where you want to be at. Alright, y'all. So I'm probably gonna go look some stuff up, because it's, you know, it's okay to look up information about your health and, you know, just different types of exercises, or just read and stuff like that. So that's probably what I'm gonna do. And thank you for watching me, y'all, while I sip on this smoothie. Y'all, don't forget, if you're gonna make it, if you can consume cinnamon, don't forget to add your cinnamon. Add your cinnamon to it, and oh my goodness, you can tell the difference. So what you can do probably is make it, taste it, right? Alright, so you can see the difference. Taste it, then add your cinnamon, and then taste it, and you can see the difference. So you can see, well, it tastes better with it, it tastes better without. But I'm telling you, the cinnamon makes a big the cinnamon just does something to it where it's just so good. Alright, y'all. Alright, y'all. So y'all be safe. Continue wearing your mask, washing hands, and make sure you're drinking your water. Alright, y'all. So I will see y'all later. Peace. Bye.